and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, and I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys an update about Dalton Harris. So remembering what Dalton Harris has done, the incredible things he has done in the X Factor show, we could not feel nothing but being proud of him. So yeah, being proud of all his achievements so far. So this is exactly what Dalton Harris said. Hello, I know I have been a bit missing, but I am recording and writing and getting ready for tour meetings and all those things and trying to take care of myself. Thank you guys for the continued support. I am excited for everything to come. I ask myself, how can I love people I never met? But I do. I love you. Peace and love. #love, #peace, #light, #music, #Dalton Harris, #X-Factor, #UK, #Jamaica. Those were his words. So if you are a fan of Dalton Harris, give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
You turned toward me and looked so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. This time, got out. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent for me, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. You're silent for me, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one. We're underneath the rows of trees. I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes,